Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you are doing great. Today is Monday 27th July 2020. Today we will do our numbers work on our textbook. Okay, let's open our textbook. First we will see the contents. Here in the contents we will see chapter number 2, and that is comparison. We will see two comparison today. First one is more or less, and second one is hot and cold. Okay, let's open our book. Our work is on page number 6. That is more or less. Okay, before doing our activity, let's see. Here are two groups of the bunties. This is more and this is less. Here are more bunties, but here are less bunties. Okay, again we will see. Here are less candies and here are more candies. Here are less candies and here are more candies. Okay, let's do our question. Question is, circle the group of objects which are more. Okay, here are two groups. These are glasses and these are also the glasses, but this group is small and this group is more. Okay, these are less glasses and these are more glasses, and the question is we have to circle the objects which are more. So we will circle the more glasses. Now here are the butterflies. Here are less butterflies and here are more butterflies. Now you tell me in which group we will circle, this or this. Very good class. We will circle this one group. Very good. Okay, our next question is, circle the group of objects which are less. Now we will see which are the less. In this group of stars, here are less stars and here are more stars. Here are less and here are more. You tell me which group we should circle. Exactly. Very good. We will circle this one group. Here are the cubes. Here are less cubes and here are more cubes, and we will circle. Very good class. You are telling me very right. Okay, very good. Here are less cubes. Very good class. Okay, now let's see which is our next question. Our next page is page number 7. Here we will see the comparison of hot and cold. Hot and cold. Can you tell me what is this? Oh yeah, this is tea, and this one, oh, you like it very much. This is ice cream. Wow, yummy ice cream. Okay, this one is cold, this one is cold, and this one is hot tea. Okay, question is, put a tick on things which are hot. We will tick the things which are hot. Oh, this is yummy pizza. What we will do? We will tick here. Very good. And this is candle. Shall we put a tick here? Oh yes, this is hot. Hot. Very good. This is hot, so we will tick here. Shall we put a tick here? No. We will see. What is this? This is ice cream. No, we will not put a tick here. What is this? What is this? Oh, this is soup. We take soup in winter season. So this one is hot and we will put a tick on this group. This is, oh yeah, this is juice. This must be mango juice. This is cold, so we will not put a tick on it. Okay class, today we see the concepts of more and less, and today we learn the concepts of hot and cold. Okay class, you did it very good. Do your work very nicely and have a good day. Blessed day. Allah Hafiz class.